Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for watching. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But today we have here, I'm not 100% sure either, but I'll have to find out in 2 seconds. Whoa. Alright. There we go. This is coming from Kittyhok. Check them out, guys. This is going to be a wireless outdoor security cam with AI detection, 1080p, battery powered Wi-Fi camera with spotlight, siren, all that good stuff. Alright, this should be an easy one. I got my phone I gotta grab. I'm sure there's an app to download, QR code. Package notification, whoa. Person identification, trespasser, activity zone. Whoa. Look at that bad boy. IP65, weatherproof, events detection, 100% wire free, 1080p HD. Alright, we've seen enough on the outside. Now let's see what's inside. This should be an easy one to install, set up, and all that good stuff. Might want to grab a couple of them for your home, for your back door, sides, stuff like that. So far we got here is going to be mounting bracket. It's mounted somewhere. So let's see how that sets up. There's that. That's like a circle. We're going to drill it. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it up yet, but we'll test it out and everything on the phone and go from there. But I'm not sure where I'm going to set this up. I might have one spot like to cover that I missed, because I do got a lot of cameras in this house now. So got the reset key right there's the reset key, this little guy right there. Got some screws, and then the whatever that white thing is called, I forgot. Here's a standard USB sticky. There we go. Alright. Empty at the bottom. Down at the bottom. Empty. Alrighty. It's not even that heavy, guys. It's actually pretty lightweight. Ooh, nice. Look at it. Look at that. So you would probably... Whoa. That is a magnet. Jeez. Was not expecting that. Just be careful, guys. Don't put your fingers there. So you can just poof. Oh, that's really sweet. Sweet. See? And then I'm gonna have to grab my phone. Please remove the film. So there's film here. Surprised there's no film protecting the lens. Side, you can use a tripod, I think. Also, depends on where you're gonna mount this. You can probably do it in home too. You can mount it, but this is definitely going outside. Micro SD slot. Please press buttons on both sides. Okay, so you gotta do a little trick. There's side buttons right here. There we go. Okay, there's a magnet. So there's a QR I'm gonna have to scan. Probably it's gonna be up in Hazel right here. There's a reset button. There's a memory. Just gonna have to peel this off. See? Right in there, there's a reset button. There's a SD slot for your memory card. Really cool. Okay, guys, give me about 30 seconds. I'm gonna grab my phone. And we're gonna shoot this thing and test it out. Can't wait. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. This is from Kittyhok. Link will be down below. This is a really sweet wireless outdoor security camera with AI detection. So, a lot of cool stuff I'm going to show you in a second. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this is a really cool mini camera right here. Kittyhok, lightweight, and comes with all this good stuff. Mounting bracket. Watch this. Bam. So you can turn it around and mount it. Comes with the screws. Reset button. USB charge right here. Battery. Cover that up with the dust cover. Right here, the two slides. There's a push button right here. Push button on this side. All you gotta do is squeeze it. And this should pop up. Right there's a magnet. There's a QR code. There's gonna be an app. It's called Vicoo. I think it's pronounced VICOO. You got it for the iOS or Android. I'm using the iPhones and I'm Galaxy, so here we go. There's a speaker right there. I think the memory card slot is right down here. Oh man. There it goes. Or is that the power button? Nope. The reset is right here, and the memory card slot is on the side. So, right there. Just pop it in. Line it up like that. Close it. All I gotta do, go on your app store and check now. Whoa. Dang. That's pretty clear. Wonder if you could pan and tilt. But it's really easy hookup. All you gotta do is just enter your Wi-Fi, create an account. Once you do that, it's gonna send you a passcode to verify you. That's gonna go in your email. So dang. Oh, that's video. There's all the good stuff. And you can invite people with a code. Do not update. It's going to connect right about now. Whoa. Alright, alright. Yeah, this would be perfect in a backyard situation or your garage, even indoor. Spare bedroom you can't get to. This will give you a couple seconds ahead of them, so that's all you need. But this is really nice. This will be perfect in the backyard. Microphone check. Hello, hello. Whoa. Lights are on. Whoa. That is so strange. Like a remix. Remix and remix. Whoa. Okay. That's enough of that, guys. But really cool HT security camera. Comes with the bells and whistles, so definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Comes from Kittyhok, right here on Amazon, on YouTube. Check these guys out, guys. Alright, be safe out there. See you guys soon. See ya.